A jewel in Telangana, Kawal Tiger Reserve, a name that whispers of untamed beauty and wild grandeur. Nestled in the northern region of Telangana, this reserve is a precious sanctuary. It is a vital part of the Deccan Peninsula's landscape. This reserve is a crucial southern tip of the central Indian tiger landscape. It connects with other important tiger havens, Tadoba Antari in Maharashtra and Indravati in Chhattisgarh. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Kawal Tiger Reserve boasts a remarkable variety of habitats. Dense, emerald green forests dominate the landscape. Interspersed are vast stretches of grasslands, shimmering gold in the sun. Open areas provide a different type of beauty. Rivers and streams weave through the land, their waters a lifeline. Numerous water bodies, like tranquil lakes and reservoirs, add to the diversity. This mosaic of habitats creates a haven for a breathtaking array of life. The forests of Kawal are a botanist's dream. This verdant expanse is a living laboratory, teeming with a diverse array of plant species that have adapted to the unique conditions of this region. The dense canopy overhead filters the sunlight, creating a dappled effect on the forest floor, where countless plants thrive in the rich, loamy soil. The interplay of light and shadow, combined with the constant hum of life, makes this forest a place of endless discovery and wonder. Stately teak trees stand tall, their timber prized for centuries. These giants of the forest are not only valuable for their wood, but also play a crucial role in the ecosystem. Their broad leaves provide shelter and food for numerous species, while their deep roots help stabilize the soil, preventing erosion. Walking through a teak forest, one can't help but feel a sense of awe at the sheer size and age of these magnificent trees. Bamboo groves sway gently in the breeze. These fast-growing plants are a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. Bamboo is not only a vital resource for local communities, providing materials for construction and crafts, but it also serves as a crucial habitat for many species. The rustling of bamboo leaves in the wind creates a soothing symphony, a reminder of the delicate balance of life in the forest. The air is fragrant with the scent of Anogeissus latifolia, Mitragyna parviflora, Terminalia crenulata, Terminalia arjuna, and Boswellia serrata. These plants, with their unique aromas and medicinal properties, have been used by local communities for generations. Each species has its own story, its own role in the intricate web of life that makes up this forest. The vibrant colors and varied textures of the flora add to the sensory experience, making a walk through the forest a feast for the senses. These forests echo with the sounds of animals. From the chirping of birds to the rustling of leaves as small mammals scurry about, the forest is alive with activity. Each sound tells a story, a testament to the rich biodiversity that calls this place home. The calls of distant animals create a symphony of life, a constant reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Nilgai, the largest Asian antelope, roam freely. These majestic creatures, with their distinctive blue-gray coats, are a sight to behold. They move gracefully through the forest, their presence a testament to the health of the ecosystem. Watching a herd of nilgai grazing peacefully is a reminder of the importance of preserving these natural habitats for future generations. Chowsingha, with their striking stripes, are a common sight. These four-horned antelopes are unique to the Indian subcontinent and are known for their agility and speed. Their distinctive markings help them blend into the forest, providing camouflage from predators. Observing a chowsingha in its natural habitat is a rare and special experience, one that highlights the incredible diversity of life in Kawal. Chinkara, the Indian gazelle, dart across the open grasslands. These graceful animals are known for their speed and agility, able to outrun many of their predators. The sight of a chinkara bounding across the landscape is a breathtaking reminder of the raw beauty and power of nature. Their presence in the grasslands is a sign of a healthy and balanced ecosystem. Blackbuck, once on the brink, now thrive here. These elegant antelopes, with their spiraled horns and striking coloration, are a conservation success story. Efforts to protect and restore their habitats have paid off, allowing their populations to rebound. Seeing a herd of blackbuck grazing or running through the forest is a testament to the power of conservation and the resilience of nature. Sambar and spotted deer graze in the dappled shade. These gentle herbivores are a vital part of the forest ecosystem, helping to maintain the balance of plant life. Their presence attracts predators, creating a dynamic and interconnected web of life. Watching these deer move gracefully through the forest, one can appreciate the delicate balance that sustains this vibrant ecosystem. but these are just the gentle grazers. The forest is also home to a variety of other animals, each playing a unique role in the ecosystem. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature contributes to the intricate web of life that makes this forest so special. Kawal is also home to formidable predators. These apex predators are crucial for maintaining the balance of the ecosystem, keeping herbivore populations in check and ensuring the health of the forest. Their presence is a sign of a thriving and balanced ecosystem. Wild dogs, with their coordinated hunting strategies, roam the reserve. These intelligent and social animals are known for their teamwork and efficiency in hunting. Watching a pack of wild dogs in action is a thrilling experience, showcasing the raw power and intelligence of these remarkable predators. Wolves, jackals, and foxes add to the canine chorus. Each of these species has its own unique role in the ecosystem, from the cunning jackal to the elusive fox. Their presence adds to the rich tapestry of life in the forest, creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. And then, there are the lords of the jungle, the majestic tiger and the elusive leopard. These big cats are the apex predators of the forest, their presence a sign of a healthy and thriving ecosystem. The sight of a tiger or leopard moving silently through the forest is a powerful reminder of the raw beauty and power of nature. Jungle cats, smaller but no less fierce, complete the feline presence. These agile and stealthy hunters are a vital part of the forest ecosystem, helping to control populations of smaller animals. Their presence adds to the rich diversity of life in Kawal, making this forest a truly remarkable place. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Two mighty rivers, the Godavari and the Kadam, grace Kawal Tiger Reserve. The Godavari, India's second longest river, is a lifeline for the entire region. Its waters are a source of sustenance for all. The Kadam, a tributary of the Godavari, also plays a vital role. Together, these rivers irrigate the land, replenish water sources, and support the rich biodiversity of the reserve. Section 5, Technology, the New Guardian. Protecting this natural heritage is a challenging task, but new technologies are proving to be invaluable allies. Solar-powered pumps, strategically placed near bore wells, are transforming water management. These pumps draw water and channel it to tanks, pits, and reservoirs, ensuring a consistent supply, especially during the harsh summer months. Section 6. The Watchful Eye, Camera Traps and Beyond. Camera traps, once a novelty in wildlife conservation, have evolved significantly over the years. Today, they are indispensable tools at Kawal Tiger Reserve, capturing the elusive moments of wildlife. These motion-activated cameras are strategically placed near water sources and animal trails, ensuring they capture the most activity.
They provide crucial data on animal movement patterns, population densities, and even behavior, which is essential for conservation efforts. Drones, with their aerial perspective, are revolutionizing monitoring efforts, offering a bird's-eye view of the terrain. They can cover vast areas quickly, making it easier to monitor large swathes of forest. Providing real-time information on everything from poaching activities to forest fires, thus enhancing the effectiveness of conservation strategies.
GPS tracking, another technological marvel, allows researchers to track the movements of collared animals with precision, providing invaluable insights into their ranges, habits, and interactions. This data is crucial for understanding the dynamics of wildlife populations and making informed conservation decisions. The combination of these technologies, camera traps, drones, and GPS tracking, creates a comprehensive monitoring system. This system not only helps in tracking and studying wildlife, but also in protecting them from threats. As technology continues to advance, the future of wildlife conservation looks promising, with more innovative tools on the horizon to aid in the preservation of our planet's precious biodiversity. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 7, Treading Carefully, New Vehicle Regulations. The delicate balance of Kawal's ecosystem is constantly under threat, even from well-intentioned visitors. To mitigate the impact of vehicular traffic, new guidelines have been implemented.
Heavy vehicles are now permitted entry only between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. with a toll system in place. This measure aims to reduce noise and disturbance during the crucial night hours when many animals are most active. The ban on night entry is a significant step towards minimizing human-animal conflict and creating a safer haven for wildlife.
Section 8. Guardians of the Forest, Local Communities. The true custodians of Kawal Tiger Reserve are the local communities who have called this land home for generations. Their traditional knowledge of the forest, its rhythms, and its inhabitants is unparalleled.
Recognizing this invaluable expertise, conservation efforts now actively involve these communities. Training and awareness programs educate villagers about sustainable practices.
Section 9. A Future Entwined. Kawal Tiger Reserve stands as a testament to the power of nature and the importance of its preservation. This sanctuary, nestled in the heart of India, is home to a myriad of species, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. From the majestic tiger to the smallest insects, every creature here is a vital thread in the intricate web of life. Technology, while powerful, is only as effective as the hands that wield it. In Kawal, advanced tools like drones and GPS devices are employed to monitor wildlife and track movements, ensuring that the reserve remains a safe haven for its inhabitants. These technologies provide invaluable data, helping conservationists make informed decisions to protect and nurture the environment. It is the dedication of forest officials, researchers, and scientists that drives the ongoing efforts to conserve this natural wonder. Their tireless work, often in challenging conditions, is a testament to their commitment to preserving Kawal's biodiversity. They meticulously study plant species, set up camera traps to monitor animal behavior, and implement strategies to combat threats like poaching and deforestation. The involvement of villagers and local residents is crucial, as they are the true stewards of the land. Their traditional knowledge, combined with modern conservation techniques, creates a powerful synergy that enhances the effectiveness of preservation efforts. Education and awareness programs play a pivotal role in this endeavor, teaching the younger generation the importance of conservation and fostering a deep connection with nature. Families exploring the forest together create lasting memories and instill a sense of wonder and respect for the natural world. The future of Kawal, like the intricate web of life it sustains, is intertwined with our own. The health of this ecosystem directly impacts our well-being, highlighting the need for sustainable practices and mindful stewardship. Every action we take, no matter how small, contributes to the larger goal of preserving this sanctuary for future generations. Let us strive to make that future a bright one. By working together, embracing both tradition and innovation, we can ensure that Kawal Tiger Reserve remains a beacon of hope and a symbol of our commitment to protecting the natural world. The sunrise over this serene landscape reminds us of the new beginnings and endless possibilities that lie ahead. If you enjoyed this journey through Kawal Tiger Reserve, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Your support helps us continue bringing you stories of our incredible natural world.